Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? And then I'm going to just put some crab on there. On the sides. So don't forget, guys, this has pumpkin. This has carrots, peppers, zucchini. It has thyme, garlic, onions, sweet pepper, the red, the yellow. Guys, it's just a pot full of flavors. You see all of that goodness in here? When you form your rice and you put your food in there, guys, it's going to be like magic in your mouth. See? This is what it's going to look like, guys. This is what food is about. This is what food needs to be. Presented properly. Tastes so good. Pumpkin, carrots, coconut milk, curry, crab legs, shrimp, peppers, broccoli, zucchini. Guys, what else do you need? You need nothing else. Let me put a leg up there for you. Yo, let me tell you. A drizzle, drizzle, drizzle here and there. Doesn't hurt, you know? Doesn't hurt. And look at that. You can see there's gravy here. There's gravy. There's color. Look at that. That is like, oh, man, I can't wait to eat it. Joan, you said you were coming. You definitely missed out. Look at that. Love your mouth. Love your food. Food doesn't have to be something hard to do. Just use your imagination, guys. Anything you put in it is going to be like super, super, super amazing. Love what you cook. Love what you serve. Love food. And just make it your own. Make it your own dish. Anything you have, you put it in there, you make it your own. That's all you have to do. Make it your own. Look at that. That's just beautiful. That is amazingly beautiful. If you cook it with love, you will taste the love. You will see the love. Yes. I love food. I'm sorry, guys. I can't wait to eat this. This is so beautiful. And no, I didn't make the salad, but I think I might make the salad and display the salad for you after. Because I know it's very late and I know you guys are telling me that you're going to bed and stuff, but here it is. Curry, crab, shrimp with pumpkin and mixed veggies. The brighter the color, the better it looks. Seasoned well to perfection with onions and garlic and thyme. And a little bit of hot sauce because, you know, like I use chili flakes. And guys, it's amazing. Thank you so much for being here. Look at that. I'm going to crack those legs open. Can't wait. Thank you so much for being on my channel. This is Food-Farrell'S channel. Guys, I also have a podcast, and it's called Farrell's Corner. I will be getting into that a little bit more soon for you because, you know, I do miss talking to you guys. Welcome, and thank you for being here. It's always a pleasure to have you here. It's always a pleasure to have you watch me cook. And I know that you're going to be trying some of these dishes. Don't forget the coconut milk. Don't forget the coconut milk. If you have a fresh coconut, break it, grate it, squeeze it. Keep the trash out. You only need that milk to put in the food. And just season your food to the best of your perfection. Love what you cook. Experiment with cooking. Cooking is all about experimenting. With me, it's the same. I experiment sometimes. Enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy for you. I hope you were here to enjoy with me. So from my kitchen to your table to your mouth, thank you for being at Farrell's Corner. Farrell's Kitchen, but Farrell's anything, because it's all about Farrell's everything. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. And thank you for being here. Bye. I'm going to leave this. I'm going to let you watch my butt. Huh. Amazing. Oh, I forgot the best part. Garnish. Parsley. Garnish. Oh my goodness. Garnish.